Lại tiền bữa hát saya puting giang di bữa, iya hát saya pun tepa khot là bữa ha.
Every year you send us a big gift. All he send you is a gift card that he can't even write.
Thôi thì phụ thầy phụ quân, là bữa thật thăm.
May God bless you all. Now I know that one.
Lại thì cũng những gì vấn đề tiếp nhà, để thứ hai phía này là ta thở ta mạng, ta thở ta hậu đi.
Thanks this time you heard about his birthday and you and your kids come all the way here. I know my translation is not correct. Hey, I'm an FOB, right?
Vấn đề vừa ta vấn đề vừa mang bài on, dẫn giải thì đủ cố trên vừa bài on dẫn.
That's hard to translate. Wish you all luck to go back safely. Okay.
Con rồi tôi chết. Cái nó lại thì thăm.
Okay, that's it for him. So,
Có cái thằng vừa tao là vừa miền thăm. Na sẽ biểu hiện được sự và tạo sự này toàn phút staffer và tạo để thi ở Việt Nam.
this is our sponsor, Bill Henderson and his son Christopher. We call him Chris and Janelle.
Quân toàn Việt Hiếu.
Okay, everybody, this is Bill, Christopher, and Janelle. They're from North Dakota. We met. We came here in 1980s. That's where our sponsor is. Coming from North Dakota, Lisbon, North Dakota.
Bằng cái này mà nhờ có phải có thể.
Okay, we would like Bill come and. I don't think I can translate Mian though.
Thank you, Yen. Thank you, Fuan. You can interpret. All right. I guess it was about 40 years ago when you came to Lisbon, North Dakota. You came to Fargo, North Dakota on the airplane. It was very, very cold, and I felt so sorry for you. You didn't have the proper clothes, but we put you in warm cars and we headed for Lisbon. And when we got to Lisbon, it was a small house, you had a big family, and it's just remarkable how well you did in the 8 months that you were there. It was such a treat for my family, the 2 children, and my wife to come over and be with you. And we taught you English as much as we could, like coat, point, cup. I don't know how they teach English to immigrants as you were at that time, but it worked. You guys learned. The other thing I saw in this family is that's resilience, so adaptable to this culture, and it was just wonderful to see that. And for the rest of you, you did the same. For that generation, you did the same when you came, and you've become great Americans, and you have not forgotten your heritage, which is wonderful. You've adopted the Christian religion, which I think is wonderful. It's been so great to know this family, and I continue to keep in touch with them. I have to tell you a couple things about Fuan. He held many jobs while he was in Lisbon. I think the first job he had was a custodian at the hospital, and I teased him about when he's going to become the next surgeon there, and he said, no. The next job he had, he painted houses with me. I was a school teacher, and in the summertime I painted. We were painting this building, a garage, and he was on one side and I was on the end. Pretty soon I hear all this yelling in Laotian. I don't know if it's curse words or what, but his paintbrush went flying and it was on fire. There was a bare wire sticking out of the wall, and he was painting with oil-based paint, and it ignited. And there was laying on the ground on fire, and I came around the corner, and I didn't understand what he was saying. And then I taught him to drive. I had a 1954 Ford pickup with a stick shift. We went up to the fairgrounds. There's about 2 acres there. I didn't dare put him on the street. And it was just hilarious. He put it in gear, dropped the clutch, and we just fly back. We laughed and laughed. My stomach hurt when I was done. And when he said he was going to get a car, I thought, oh no, this could be bad. So we love you, and I'll tell you what, the people in Lisbon loved you too, and you made our lives richer for your presence. And I just really appreciate what all of you have gone through to make this your home. Thank you.
Okay, now I guess it's my turn to tell the story. Before we came to America, we heard that American people, they eat Miet people. So we were really scared, but there's no Miet people sponsor us. So my dad said, what the heck, anybody sponsor us, we'll just go. It happened to be you and your church. When we get to North Dakota, we were very scared of white people. They are tall. One day, just me and my mom in the house. John Lee, who is very tall, really kind of big, comes in the house. He goes in the house. My mom comes out. Tell me, hurry up, come outside. I didn't understand why. Keep back and forth. He comes out, my mom goes in. Back and forth. It's like, oh, this is where they say American people is going to eat us. This will be the day. Well, guess what? They didn't eat us. They're still in contact with us until this day. And today, this weekend, we're going to make you suffer like you did to us. The first thing we get here, guess what we get to eat? Hot dog. They serve us hot dog. We don't even know what that is. No Asian food. But thank God for everything. We're still here today, and today you guys are gonna learn how to eat Miet food, spicy and hot. Thank you for coming, Janelle, Chris, and Bill.
Chị tận sự là thô lẽ tình bước có miền yếm cô yếm phát tả vừa quảng nghe cô đó là sự tình đó là sự nhiều yếm thô thì rù mất cùng với đó thì rù ở quê gần quân vừa con thằng nể quả yếm kinh số con nó và lúc ta số tự ta và tự phép điểm mới thì conถ้าตาคุณให้อยู่เมียนเนี่ยเอาคุณให้อยู่มาเบื่อคุณหลงให้อยู่ท่าคุณเมียนที่รู้อย่าหลงให้อยู่ท่าคุณมาเบื่อในสู้เอาโตเก่าซ้ำจัดเยือนซ้ำเสียดท่าในเขายังไม่เจนที่รู้แค่ว่าท่านนั่นแหละคุณเบื่อตู้ดอดไอ้ข้าดอดเนี่ยตีเนี่ยอย่าตู้มาดอดที่รู้ไอ้วุ้ยจะท่านนี้ว่าห้องน้องวิจะเบื่อเสียแล้วสิมือสองเนี่ยทักyếm cô yếm phát tả tài ở con quốc bài on cho niệm thành on đấy thì cái tài ở đấy thì vừa thì để tọt chuế xía làm buang phun phá hệ tú nó vừa tú bền nó nằm tiếp thành thế chỉ sẽ tiếp nó vừa thế cái lồng nòi lồng nhóc nha chỉ tú tấp thì nhà เกี่ยวกับอย่าฝากแปะ các cả mái mông mái nhung nhung chỉ xuống là vừa tu kề đó nhà này bà tí đu nhà ai quy dẫn để quân mà vừa phải chế phun pháp quảng thọ diện từ tàu tu thì đu cái phụ dẫn vừa lộ nghe giảm nó đó thì đu quy dẫn quân vừa hạ chẳng phong nó thì đu hiệu quả sẽ kể tiền như nếu mà còn phải mà nên thì quy dẫn quân vừa lẽ thì mà vừa tu về nó nằm tiếp sẽ tay ấy ai sau với vừa y pháp